Welcome. In front of me is a hammer blade, and today I'll show you how to access the factory mode. And to start off, we will need to power out the device. So hold the power key and then select power off and tap on OK. Now once the device shuts off, we will hold power key and volume down. So power key, volume down, hold those two together. And once you see the screen turn on with the logo, you can let go. So right now, you can let go of the keys and keep waiting. Okay, now as you can see, now we're in the factory mode. And from here, we'll use a volume down to navigate, and only volume down. As you can see, if I try to press volume up, it doesn't go up. And power key to confirm whatever we select. And as you can see, you have a couple tests that you can do, which is auto or manual tests. Auto will go through all of them. Manual, you can pick which one you want to go through. Item test, test report, debug test, clear EMC, which is basically a hard reset of the device, a version info, and just a simple reboot. For this purpose, just gonna select reboot to leave this mode and confirm it with power key. As you can see, the device shuts off and it will power back on. As we will see shortly, the device will be back on. Yep. So we just left the mode. So this is how you would access this mode and also leave it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.